Now, this is certainly interesting, and let's deep dive into where gold prices could head to next after breaking a record high in the past few days with Gemma Goyardi, Astronacci founder and CEO. Hello, Pak Gemma. Thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. Now, what is interesting for me is, and also the public, on Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole Symposium, he stated that it is actually the time which has come for policy to adjust, which have been, I think it's long overdue. People have been waiting for it, but reinforcing expectations of an interest rate cut at the next Fed meeting. Now, how might the anticipated interest rate cut impact the price of gold in the near term?
When we believe that the price action will discount everything. So the price action, which is we always take a look to the charts, and then it's very obvious that gold is moving in a very strong bullish trend. And our outlook in C today, since the past 3 episodes, is always made a point, and then we still maintain our outlook. We believe that the upside movement for the gold will be about 25.60 and 26.70. So having said that, we also confirm that the Elliott wave analysis takes a part, which is gold now is moving in the third wave, and the subdivision of the 5 wave rally. It means that the bullish trend will be still there. So if the gold has a probability to still moving in a bullish trend, it means more likely the Fed gonna lower the interest rate. So at least for now, we believe that next month they're going to reduce the interest rate.
Okay, we're going to look at the factors first before we go into the chart. But we cannot also forget the fact that there is a certain movement in China where China's gold import quotas seems might have an impact in global gold prices. And how do you anticipate this?
Yeah, the China gold demand and India gold demand has always become a major role for gold. And we still looking, the gold demand from China will support our view that 2,560 to at least 2,600 will be the fair target price for the next 8 to 10 weeks. So having said that, if the Fed decides to lower its interest rate, so that will confirm our view. Regardless whether or not the Fed gonna lower it down, so we should expect that gold will be moving very sideways for the next 8 to 10 days. And we believe any correction for now, any dip and declining of the gold will be the best momentum for buy, at least for now.
And also another thing about that need to be concerned about is the US PCE. Now, what's your forecast for US PCE price index coming out this Friday, and how could it impact the gold prices?
Yeah, this make me a little bit doubt about the Fed's gonna lower the interest rate. That's why I hold my perspective based on the price action, because there is a potential increasing of the CPI next month. So it's really like 50-50 whether or not they're gonna reduce the interest rate if the inflation goes back higher. But looking for the trend, the inflation is really soft now. It's not like before. I'm now in LA, the most expensive city now probably in the United States. And
I can agree more to that.
Yeah, so when inflation goes higher, we really suffer here, and then all the gas, all the food price, the living cost, the house is really high.
Yeah.
But for now, at least they can keep it pretty much stable, and then the consumer confidence back to higher, and then people start spending. So in this case, then, if they want to boost the consumer confidence, at least they need to lower a little bit for the interest rate. And then if they lower that too much, then the CPI gonna goes higher again. So I believe if they lower this time, and they're gonna hold it until the end of 2024.
All right, so I also want to take audience focus to shift into looking at your weekly gold outlook here. Now, what can you tell us from this?
If you can see here, I put the numbers on every price movement, and then that's what we call an Elliott wave analysis. So the elliott wave analysis will give you the picture for the next future movement. And now the gold is moving in the third bullish wave, which is, if you can see that, number 1, 2, and then big number 3 up there, and expected upside target in 2670 or 2560. And then in the middle of the black line, you can see this price swing 1, 2, 3, and 4. It means that the subdivision of the wave, or the smaller scale of the price movement, now is moving into the 5-wave rally. That's a smaller cycle of the price. And this already very clear sign for us that the bullish trend will still continue as long as the price is not drops below the number 4 inside the bracket over there. Then, having said that, we believe the price action will discount everything. The average will confirm each other. It means when we can see the price action that gold gonna go higher and higher, most likely the Fed gonna reduce the interest rate.
So as long as we've been following your outlook since previous interviews ago, your outlook on forecasted gold to drop with support area of 2,470, do you see that still happening?
It's happened. So luckily, after my latest show, the gold really dropped to 2470, an exact number, and then gold back up. So now, if we're looking for the future movement of the gold, the price will be moving sideways until the non-farm payroll in the first week of September. Okay, so we're gonna have the non-farm payroll on the 6th, I guess, the 6th of September. Okay, and then the price will be moving sideways for the next 8 to 10 days. So, yeah, and then if you can see the next chart for the outlook, you will see that after the price hit 2470, then the gold is moving sideways until today.
All right, so now let's leave that for a while and take a look at your new gold daily outlook. What could we see in the next few days or weeks, Bagaimana?
Okay, now you will see the price is moving sideways, and there is a time support over there, the 29th of August. It means if you see gold now is declining, most likely it's going to continue until the 29th of August before it can back up. And the 3rd of September, there will be a new moon phase. So if you see that the price is moving, continue higher and higher, then the next turning point will be on the 3rd of September. Or inversely, again, the cycle could be inverse. If the prices continue declining all the way down, so it means the 3rd of September will be a strong buy momentum. So you will see the dates, 29th of August, and then the 3rd of September will be the turning point of gold.
Was certainly the thing to be waited for. And Gama Goyardi, Astronacci founder and CEO, thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you.
And
thank you so much for having
looking
me.
forward for the next interview with you in CJD Business.
Alright, thank you.
Kalau lu udah belajar trading tapi masih rugi terus, coba jangan di skip masukan dari gue ini. Lu tahu nggak, trading itu nggak peduli profesi atau usia lu. Bahkan ketika lu nonton ini, lu pasti berpikir trading itu nggak bisa untung. Dan belajar trading nggak ada gunanya. Tapi setelah 12 tahun berjalan, CIT Certified membuktikan untuk calon trader yang masih pemula dan mau belajar jadi kayak Pak Gema, akhirnya bisa sukses dengan jalannya masing-masing. Dan ini semua karena tipsnya, kalau lu mau belajar sampai akhirnya punya skill yang terbukti bisa menghasilkan uang bagi lu butuh kelas yang interaktif dan coachnya yang bisa nuntun lu langsung praktekin metode trading yang udah lu pelajari. Alhasil, ribuan siswa dari CIT Certified terbukti nyata. Ada yang jadi analis profesional, trader dengan modal kecil jadi besar, sampai fund manager yang mengelola uang miliaran rupiah. Nah, masalahnya, lu mau nggak beraniin diri lu untuk belajar di CIT Certified dan mengubah trading lu jadi lebih baik lagi? Kalau lu penasaran kelas CIT Certified yang terakhir itu gimana, langsung aja WhatsApp ke nomor